The motor is from China.
Now it says 56 cc's.
Yeah, it's only 48 now.
It's only 48. Yeah, you put a different motor in it.
Motor from China.
And you put a pipe in it.
Put a pipe on it.
And it's so damn loud. I gotta have hearing protection.
Yep.
You gonna let me run it?
Run it.
You're not afraid to let me run it?
I'm not afraid to let you run it.
Okay.
Doesn't require CDL.
That's funny. You can't hear it on camera, but it's loud. Nice, man. You got that thing cooking. That thing's got power.
Yeah, there's some secrets to that recipe.
I think you might have turned me on to some 29 modified by Njawa.
Yeah.
That's almost like a Fab Acre special.
Yeah, I might have some of that little dick hacker secrets in it.
Maybe, possibly, but he just likes fixing them, but he doesn't know how to work on 381s.
Yeah.
He thinks the choke is going to be operated without the filter in there.
Yeah.
But for real, man, you got that thing souped up.
Yep, it runs good.
Nice.
Yep.
Like, subscribe, share, comment, thumbs up.